Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we will walk you through how to find the vendor code in NetSuite. The vendor code can be found in both the item and vendor records. Use global search to look up the item you want to check. You can also view the item by navigating to Lists, Accounting, Items. You will then be redirected to the items list. From there, locate the item you want to check. In the item record, go to the Purchasing Inventory tab and click on the Vendor sub-tab. I have previously assigned a vendor to my item and added a vendor code. Now, let's check the vendor code from the vendor record. This is the same vendor listed in my item record. You can also navigate to Lists, Relationship, Vendor, and view the vendor you want to check. Now, in the vendor record, navigate to the Information tab and go to Items sub-tab. There, you will find the item along with the related vendor code. And that's where you can find the vendor code in NetSuite. Thanks for watching.